welcome back to another recipe. For today's video, I'll be showing you guys one of my favorite of all time recipe. Today I'll be making Cajun pasta. One of my favorite recipe of all time, you guys. When I go to Chili's, they have this bomb Cajun pasta. I always get it, but today, of course, I have to spice things up a little bit. I'll be making a cheesy Cajun pasta. If you want to see it, stay tuned. Also subscribe if you are new here. Thumbs up the video. Without further ado, let's make it. To get started, we're going to begin by boiling our pasta. I added a little bit of oil in the water as well as some seasoning, which is Creole seasoning. Just add that in there. Once your pasta water start boiling, add your pasta in there. I am using penne pasta, by the way. Once your pasta is done cooking, set it aside. We're going to move on to the next step. I am using about 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. I am going to let that melt. Then add my minced garlic that I minced myself. Cooking it for about 30 seconds. Then I'll be adding my chopped onion. I am using yellow onion for this recipe. I am going to cook the onion for about 30 seconds. Then I'll add my green bell pepper. You can also use red bell pepper as well. Alright, now I am going to let that cook for 30 seconds. Then add my sausage. I am going to let the sausage slightly cook for a little bit, not too much. I just want some color somewhat in there. So I am adding my sausage right now. Once my sausage are nice and golden, not all the way because I don't want to burn the sausage. You can see some type of color in there. I'll be adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of dry parsley. You can use fresh parsley as well, but I am using dried parsley. Okay. Now it's time to add the seasoning. My seasonings are Cajun seasoning, Creole seasoning, and pepper. I did not have to add any salt because the Creole seasoning has salt in it, so you can skip the salt or add it way at the end. Now I'm adding in some cooked shrimp. I bought it cooked, so just add that in there because my shrimp are already cooked. So I'm just gonna basically let them get hot and mix with the seasoning for a little bit. We're not going to overcook this shrimp, okay? We're just gonna let it marinate with the seasoning and let it get hot for a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and add my cooked pasta that we cooked earlier. But before I do, I am using about, I'll say 4 ounces of whole milk. You can use heavy cream. I did not have any. It doesn't break or make the dish, okay? You can still use whole milk. I add a little bit of whole milk. Let me tell you, that sauce by itself was like heaven. Tastes so good. Now you see me just added my pasta in there just like that. Then I'll be adding my cheese. Turn off your stove at this point, or you can put it on low. I put it on low. And then we're going to add the cheese. I use Swiss cheese, which is the laughing cow cheese you saw me added. And then I'll be adding some mozzarella cheese. You can add however much cheese you want, but I added about 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. Just add that in there, mix it all together, and of course you can bake this, but I won't bake it because I don't want to overcook my shrimp. I could have taken it out and bake it, but I didn't want to go that far. Okay, once everything is well mixed, actually I added 2 of the triangle cheese, the laughing cow cheese. I added 2 of them in there. Okay, mix it all together until everything is well melted. Then I'll be adding some parmesan cheese as well. I added about 1/2 cup of parmesan cheese. Just add that in there and mix it together. And let me tell you, oh my gosh, this is so tasty, like so good. Now one thing you have to keep in mind, Cajun seasoning is really spicy, so if you do not want it to be spicy, Don't add too much Cajun seasoning in there. And once it's done, this is it, guys. Nice and cheesy. Oh my, this is my to-go meal right now. It's so good. It has shrimp, sausage. You can even add chicken in there, but I have a recipe where I use chicken, which I will leave down below. Cajun chicken pasta. I will leave it down below. Check that out. This is it. Hope you enjoy it. Do not forget to give the video a thumbs up for me. Also subscribe if you're new here. Comment your thoughts down below, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.